How to turn off stolen device protection on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily turn off stolen device protection on your iPhone. Let's dive right in. You need to open up your settings, scroll down, and go to Face ID and passcode. Now you'll need to enter your current passcode, and then something like this will open up. Scroll down, and there you'll find stolen device protection. So if it is toggled on, you just need to tap on it to toggle it off. So, stolen device protection adds another layer of security to your iPhone in the event that it is stolen and someone knows your passcode. But it's okay even if you turn it off. So, there you go. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.